Hello, my name is Shrees. I'm a Virginia solicitation of a minor attorney. If you have been charged or accused of soliciting a minor via the internet, which is also described as online solicitation of a minor, then you absolutely need an attorney. Do not for 1 second think this is something you can take lightly. Because if you are convicted of this charge, you could face a minimum mandatory sentence of 5 years in the state penitentiary. All right, let's talk about what is soliciting a minor. In Virginia, an adult can be accused of soliciting a minor if he or she uses electronic communication to engage in sexual conduct with a minor. Online solicitation of a minor is a major crime in Virginia and attracts severe penalties. It is defined under Virginia Code 18.2-374.3, and the core of the crime is the use of communication systems to involve the engaging of children in sexual acts. This law is used to prosecute the accused of using communication systems to engage in sexual activity with a minor. According to the law, the involvement of an adult in attempting to contact a minor with the intention to engage in taking indecent liberties with such a minor, or in aiding the production, publication, sale, financing of child pornography is necessary. The offense involves a Class 6 felony. 18.2-374.3 also states that it's illegal for an adult to use any electronic means to solicit any person that he knows or has reason to believe is under the age of 15 years to knowingly and intentionally expose his or her sexual or genital parts to any child to whom he is not legally married to, or propose that any such child expose his or her genital parts to such a person. If you propose that a child fondle his or her own sexual or genital parts, that is a crime also. If you propose that a child perform an act of sexual intercourse, anal intercourse, cunnilingus, fellatio, or any act constituting an offense under 18.2-361, which is called crimes against nature, or entice, allure, or persuade, or invite any such child to enter any vehicle, room, or house, or other place for any purpose set forth in the law, then it's also a Class 5 felony and carries a minimum mandatory term of imprisonment of 5 years. That basically states that if a person knows that the child is less than 15 years of age and he's at least 7 years older than that child, he shall be liable to be punished by a term of imprisonment of not less than 5 years, not more than 30 years in a state correctional facility. However, the term of imprisonment shall not be less than 10 years and not more than 40 years in a case of a second or subsequent offender. How do you defend against charges of online solicitation? The best defense is to prove that the defendant had no reason to believe that he was dealing with someone under the age of 15. Another defense, which is tougher, would be the entrapment defense, to prove that the police had acted as a minor as part of their official duty and forced you or somehow made you do something that you normally would not have done. If you're accused of online solicitation of a minor and you don't know what exactly you're dealing with, or you're worried about how it may affect your life, contact an experienced criminal defense attorney immediately. We defend these charges throughout the entire state of Virginia. So often, what happens is you are usually, if you're accused of this crime, tricked into believing that you're communicating with someone who you perceive is an adult, but the police officer will repeatedly tell you things such as, oh, my mom's not home, I'm in high school, I'm in 10th grade, or I'm in 9th grade, oh, my friends are all 15, or they may say, oh, I'm about to turn 15. If they say any of those things, you need to be aware that they're recording the entire chat on a CD, and they're going to go ahead and provide that to the prosecutor when they bring charges. If you have been charged, get in touch with an attorney immediately. If If you need help, call my office at 888-437-7747, and I'll be glad to help you. We can have a conversation in terms of a consult, and we can sit down and discuss your options. I look forward to helping you if you need help. Thank you.